Students, we are starting unit and measurement. This is the first chapter that we learn in the physics. I am Narendra Patidar, and here let us get an introduction about units. In physics, we come across various physical quantities. To measure, to display their value, we need units. Suppose we have a quantity Q. To display it, to measure it, we have a number and a unit. Just like that, we say length is 10 meter, where 10 is the number and m is the unit, meter. To measure all the physical quantities, we need few fundamental or base units. So there are 7 fundamental or base units we have defined. The definition is internationally accepted and called SI units. Although we have learned about CGS, FPS and MK system of units, that means we have many systems of units, but in our international system of units, in short we say SI. We use always SI whenever it is possible. Although other units are also used, here we'll note that 7 fundamental units are there, plus all other units are derived from these fundamental or base units. With a complete set of base units and derived units, we get a system of units. So a system of unit consists of fundamental units plus derived units. The fundamental units are fundamental that cannot be derived in terms of other fundamental units. That means we have at least 7 fundamental units, or say base quantities and units. So we list out the base quantity and name of that base quantity and a symbol and a definition. The definition of that unit is invariable with time. Suppose we have a meter. How long is a meter? There must be a international definition of a meter that is invariable with respect to time. So let us go to list out all units. Let us list out all this. First base quantity is length. The base unit or fundamental unit we use is meter. Symbol we use is small m. Definition of meter is revised in 1983. It is the path traveled by light in vacuum in 1 by 299,792,458 of a second. This is the new definition after 1983. This is given on the basis of speed of light in the vacuum, which is 299,792,458 meter per second. And a 1 by 299,792,458 second, light will take 1 meter. Second base quantity we have is mass. SI unit is kilogram. Remember, gram is not the SI unit. while the kilogram is the SI unit. Symbol is kg, and 1 kilogram is equal to weight of a platinum iridium alloy cylinder, which is kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measure at Severus near Paris in France. This is the standard 1 kg mass. Base quantity is taken as time. SI unit is second. The symbol we use is small s. The definition of second is given as the oscillations of the radiation corresponding to transition between two hyperfine levels of ground state of cesium-133 atom. The number of oscillations equal to 1 second is 9192,631,770. This number of oscillations made by radiation in 1 second. This term is difficult to understand if you don't know about the spectra and radiation. These values need not to be remembered or asked in a test. Look it once. Next quantity is electric current. The SI unit is taken as ampere. Symbol is capital A, and the definition is given as if equal currents is flowing in two parallel wires which are at a distance 1 meter to each other, having a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. Newton is the unit of force per meter. Then this current is a 1 ampere. This definition was given in 1948. Next is thermodynamic temperature. We very well know about the temperature. The thermodynamic temperature is measured in Kelvin. The SI unit is Kelvin. We know about centigrade and Fahrenheit. The Kelvin temperature is the absolute temperature of a body. With the help of this concept, we must know the triple point of water is 273.16 Kelvin. So 1 by 273.16th part of the temperature of water at triple point is a Kelvin. You must know about the triple point. About the triple point, I will say that you will learn about this in thermodynamics. The triple point is the temperature a matter remains in three states, that is solid, liquid, and vapor. So the triple point of water is 273.16 Kelvin, and 1 upon 273.16th part of this temperature is measured as a Kelvin. Next is amount of substance. Amount of substance, the SI unit is mole. The symbol is MOL in small letters. Amount of substance is measured more in chemistry than in physics. It is the number of elementary entities present in 12 gram of carbon, 12 number of atoms, I will say number of atoms in 12 gram of C12. This will be, that is nearly 6.02 10 to the power 23. Next is luminous intensity. Unit is candela. Symbol is CD, small cd. This unit is required to measure the intensity of light in a direction, and details about which you can get it from your printable pages. But I will say here a very important thing you have to remember is that all these 7 fundamental units are fundamental units. No one of it can be expressed in terms of others, but any other unit in the universe can be expressed in terms of these units, like we do that area is length into length, that we say length